Hello and welcome to today's video. Today is a special one. Today's video is a DIY collab, a Dollar Tree DIY collab. Let's get that straight. With none other than, wait for it, that's right, Mama secured the goods. Anyway, I'm just being funny. I haven't even been drinking. So yeah. If you like Dollar Tree and you like DIYs, you're gonna love today's video, let me tell you. So be sure to click on the link below in the description for StellaLive's video. And I think she's also going to try and pin it in the comments, but if she, whether she can or can't do that, it's still gonna be linked below. So before we get into today's video, I wanted to say a quick shout out to StellaLive for suggesting that we do a DIY. I am so thankful, and it was just a pleasure to communicate with her on this whole collab and get to know her. I found StellaLive's channel last year. She's one of the very few people that I watch her videos religiously as soon as she puts them out. She's an awesome content creator, and she really just seems like a very genuine person. So those are people I gravitate to, and I am so happy to have done this collab with you, StellaLive. So, mwah. Okay, here we go with the ghosty, or the framed ghosties. I keep wanting to say ghosty frames, but I don't know. These, pretty simple, pretty basic. You find a ghost image you like, you print it out, you cut it out, you glue it on, and there you go. I basically just used Mod Podge because I liked the cloudy effect it gave the glass, especially on the one. The other one didn't have it as much, but the other one, I don't know why, it feels like it has more of that cloudy effect. And one, I glued the ghost to the back like you see here. This is the one where I wrap the twinkle lights around the glass. And then the other one, which you'll see in a minute, I glued to the front. And then I basically glued the twinkle lights to the back of that ghost. And that one that I glued to the front is this one that I'm painting here. Oh, I just wanted to say that I am using this black transparent paint from Amazon. After you glue the wooden cubes, then you're going to want to paint Boo, and then I actually did a little border around it as well. All right, so I really just spray painted the tray and then used the Gorilla Glue to glue on this moss. And then I just glued on all of the, I don't know what they're called, figurines or whatever. They're kind of like the little miniature $5 things that Dollar Tree had at the beginning. I don't think they have them now though. So I kind of got all of those where I wanted them, and then I used these like glittery, I don't know, like spindly, branchy things. They come in black, purple, and orange. I was gonna do purple, but I decided to just go ahead and do the black. So I just glued those down. And then I basically am gonna attach this light. I have to paint it black first, and then I attach it. And that's about it. Other than the bones, I add the bones at the end, which I don't think I show. So I just spray painted the Dollar Tree bones black, and then I glued them around the outer edge. Okay, so I have taken a Dollar Tree skull and I am taking my life in my own hands by cutting it in half. And I'm actually serious because I am on blood thinners for my heart. So me doing this and being as klutzy as I am, yeah, probably wasn't the best thing. Here I am trying to figure out how the frame goes back on, and for the life of me, I really shortened this footage, but I could not tell. I had to go and get the other one, as you can see it laying on top of the skull, to figure it out. So yeah, I'm smart. And then here I am just taking the black transparent paint and going into, with a bigger brush, going in, excuse me, to the eye sockets, the nostrils, and then in the teeth and gums. And then at some point, I take a thinner paintbrush right here, actually, and go into all like the little fine details. I take a paper towel that you see right there and like kind of rub things off just to not have it so pronounced, I guess. But yeah, I mean, you get the idea with how this is all done. I'm sure you've seen many DIYs where they paint skulls. This is just me adding the red transparent paint, try and get like a little blood look type situation going. I do want to apologize. A lot of this stuff is cut off like at the end of the DIY because apparently, yeah, I can't film or edit. So yeah. Anyway, I apologize. I am trying to get better, but for whatever reason, this one just turned out a little wonky. I did lose some footage too, and there was also times where I thought I was filming and I actually wasn't filming. So that's the main reason for the abrupt cutoffs when I have them. I'm using the best thing known to man right here is this double stick tape to tape this skull onto the frame without having to have a bunch of glue. And I personally thought it was ingenious. So yeah, none of this really matters because in the end, I do the antique rub and buff, antique gold rub and buff. So there you go. Then we have this. This is my piece de resistance. I frigging love this. And my dog is going crazy. Now, what I was thinking of doing is actually doing another one where I just have that part where I cut off this whole bottom jaw. What do you think about that? Tell me what you think. I think that would look good. I'll put up a photo of the inspo that I was going for. But anyway, I love this. This is also going to go, I don't know if this is actually going to go in my bedroom. I don't think I want to delegate it to my bedroom because no one goes in my bedroom, unfortunately. So I would love for when people come over to be able to actually see this masterpiece. All right, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed making all of these DIYs from I was about to say Dollar General, but Dollar Tree. And I thoroughly enjoyed doing this collab with StellaLive. Don't forget to click the link below in the description. Definitely check that video out. She is extremely talented and you don't want to miss it. I have seen her DIYs that she's doing for this and perfection per usual for Stella. Also wanted to give her a quick shout out because she actually came up with the thumbnail for this video. But thank you, StellaLive. I greatly appreciate that. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button and subscribe. I greatly appreciate all the support. I'm almost up to 200 subscribers, so I'm super excited. Don't laugh at me. But yeah, I will see you on the next video. Bye.